Hey guys, Merideth with ExtremeTerrain, and in this video I'll be covering the different soft tops available for your Wrangler. Now I'll be choosing 4 different tops, installing them on our Jeeps, and breaking them down to show you the key benefits of each style top. Now I'm going to be showing you these on the JKs as well as the JL behind me, but they are available for all generations right here on the site. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe for other cool content like this, as well as product installed videos. So enough from me, let's jump into it. The first style that we're checking out is a complete replacement top. Now this is going to be great for you guys out there that have a hard top currently on your Wrangler but are looking to switch over to a soft top in the summer months or the warmer months and need all of that hardware in order to install it on your Jeep. Now that hardware is going to include the frame system, the header, the door surrounds, the tailgate bar, and everything in between. Now this is also going to be a great choice for somebody who currently has a soft top but may have damaged or broken hardware that they're looking to replace, while also getting an upgrade or a refresh in their fabric in the meantime. Now complete soft tops fall into 2 main categories as far as styling goes. There are options that will have the square back look that will look very similar to the factory, and then there are options that will have a fastback style that will have a slanted design and hug the rear roll bar like the one that I have behind me. A lot of complete tops are also going to come with different features from the factory design. Some may have a premium twill material that is a little bit heavier than the factory black diamond. Some options will have zipperless windows or minimal zippers on the design of the soft top, and some will even have the ability to be changed into a bikini top by just simply taking off those back windows for a more open air driving experience. The top that I have behind me is the Best Top Trek Top NX soft top in black twill, and it's going to have most of those features that I just mentioned. Starting off with the material, this is going to feature that black twill, which will have a couple of benefits in its own, including the heavier weight that's going to provide better sound dampening, better insulation, and better durability, as well as being more resistant to UV rays than a standard black diamond vinyl. Now this is also going to have a minimal zipper design on the back of the soft top, so you can easily take off the back windows and transform this into a bikini top. This top also has a sunrider feature, which gives you even more of an open air driving experience. However, if you're not looking for a complete top and you're just looking for a refresh in your fabric, then the next top may be more up your alley. The next style top that we're taking a look at is a replacement factory style top. Now this is going to be great for you guys out there that currently have a soft top on your Wrangler and your frame is in good condition, but you're looking to replace the fabric for a refreshed look to your Jeep. Now fabric tends to wear out and even get damaged over time, really showing its age, and a replacement style top is the perfect refresh for your Jeep to make all the difference. Now the top will usually come right out of the box with just the fabric as well as the windows, and will install over your factory frame system and will accept all of the factory hardware, including the header, the door surrounds, and the tailgate bar, as well as all the other hardware in between. Not to mention they are going to look very similar to the factory top, considering that they have the square back look and are going to install over the factory frame system. Now even though this style top is very similar to the factory, some may come with some added features, including DOT approved tinted windows or even that premium black twill material that I spoke about before. The top that I have mounted on the JK behind me is the Smittybilt OEM replacement style soft top with tinted windows in black diamond vinyl. Now this is going to again look very similar to the factory soft top with the square back design and the black diamond vinyl material. This top is also going to have those DOT approved tinted windows, which is a big upgrade if you have non-tinted windows on your factory top right now and you're looking for more of a sleek look while also getting the benefits of some insulation because of that tint. Not to mention this top is going to install exactly like your factory top would and slip over the frame and the hardware like I mentioned before. Now if you're happy with your factory top and are just looking for some extra protection while your full top is off your Wrangler, then the next style is going to come in handy. The next top that we're taking a look at is a mesh top. Now this is going to be great for you guys out there that are content with your full hard top or full soft top on your Wrangler, but you're looking for a little bit of extra protection while that complete top is off your Jeep. Now this is also going to be great if you have the Sunrider back or the Freedom panels open or off of your hardtop, and again, you're looking for that extra protection. Now the sun can be pretty overbearing when you're driving around with your complete top off, and a mesh top is going to provide that extra protection that you need for you as well as your passengers from that overbearing sun and those harmful UV rays. Now, those UV rays can also cause excessive wear and tear or even excessive fading to your interior. So not only is a top like this going to protect you and your passengers, but the inside of your Jeep as well. So unlike a vinyl material, this is going to have a perforated material. So it will still allow light and air through. However, it's going to keep a majority of the UV rays out, keeping a cool and comfortable environment inside the Jeep, while also still enjoying that open air driving experience. Now, because of that perforated material, this is going to do a really good job with sun protection and excessive wind while you're driving around with the complete top off of your Wrangler. However, in unexpected weather, it may not provide the utmost protection as far as rain and other unexpected weather is concerned. Now, not to mention, these tops will also come in multiple different colors and even designs, perfect if you're looking to customize your Jeep when your complete top is off, or you're looking to match an existing color scheme. Now, the top that I have on the JK behind me is the J-Tops USA Mesh Sunshade in black. Now, this is going to be an extended top, so it's going to reach all the way from the front windshield to the back of the roll bar, maximizing your protection for your interior as well as you and all of the passengers inside of your Wrangler. Now, not all of these mesh tops are going to be extended. Some of them also will have a half shade design, just covering the front two seats. Now, that half design is going to be great for you guys who have the Sunrider feature back or the Freedom panels off and just need that front seat protection. This J-Tops USA Mesh Sunshade is also going to have an in-depth and durable attachment system with multiple magnets, support bars, hooks, and durable nylon straps. Now, some tops may have a similar attachment system, or they may include Velcro or bungee cords, allowing you to very easily put on and take off the mesh top whenever you need to use it. Now, the specific top is also going to have a very durable build made of a PVC coated nylon material, and it's also going to block out up to 80 to 90% of UV rays, keeping you protected and cool inside your cab area, while also fitting with the OEM soft top and the OEM hard top. And like I've mentioned before, a lot of tops are available in a couple of different colors and designs, again allowing you to customize it to the color scheme of your Wrangler. Now, if you're a fan of a lot of these benefits that this mesh top has to offer, but you're looking for a little bit more protection, the next top might be more for you. So the last style of top that we're checking out is a bikini top or a brief top. Now, just like the last option, this is not going to be a replacement top or a complete top, but it's just going to provide a layer of protection while the full top is off your Wrangler. Now, this is going to help you out with sun protection, creating a barrier from those harmful UV rays. But unlike the mesh top that we just took a look at, this is going to give you more protection as far as inclement weather is concerned because it's made of a vinyl material. Now, that vinyl is not going to allow any light through the material itself, so you can ensure that you'll be protected from the sun fully and have a cool and comfortable ride inside your cab area with a bikini top on, while also having that one-up in protection from the mesh top that we just saw from any inclement weather or any pop-up showers. Now, that vinyl material on the bikini top or the brief top is going to be very similar to the factory soft top material, so you can expect it to have the same characteristics and hold up for a long period of time. Now, these tops are usually offered in two different styles. You'll usually have an extended top, which reaches from the windshield all the way to the back of the roll bar, and then you'll have half tops that only cover the front two seats. Now, I would like to mention that these style of tops will usually require a quick disconnect header in order to install them on your Wrangler. However, they are very affordable. Now, the top that I have on the JK behind me is the Smittybilt extended top in a black diamond vinyl material. Now, this is going to be an extended top and will secure to the front with a quick disconnect header, and then secure all the way back to the rear on the rear tub with a couple of straps and hooks. Now, the specific top is made of a durable black diamond vinyl material that's going to again hold up well to any weather conditions, while also being secured down to the Jeep with that quick disconnect header that I mentioned before, as well as multiple buckles, hooks, and Velcro flaps, ensuring that it's going to stay in place and create a very comfortable driving experience while your complete top is off. Now, those multiple attachment points are going to ensure a tight and secure fit to the Jeep, making sure that it's going to protect you, your passengers, and your interior from any inclement weather, as well as the sun, even when your doors are off. Again, choosing the right soft top for your Wrangler can be challenging considering all the options that are out there, and it's a big commitment. Hopefully this breakdown made it a bit easier to narrow down your choices so you can pick the right soft top for you and your Wrangler. That's gonna be a wrap for this video. Make sure you like and subscribe, and for more videos and products like this, always keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.